Alright guys, today we're going to install MS-DOS 7.1 in VirtualBox. As you see, I actually forgot a crucial step. Before you go right on ahead and just install it, you actually need Windows 2 as well. You can't just have Windows 1, you actually will need Windows 2 for the mouse driver. So insert the setup disk for Windows 2 and go to the A drive. Type in copy mouse.driver to just whatever directory you want. Now go back here, and now we want to go and insert the Windows 1 floppy disk, and then type in copy the same file but to the A drive. Now we should be able to start setup. That's all we needed to do, everyone. And now just follow the instructions, except whatever you want for the Windows directory. So just proceed to continue here. Go select 1. Unless you have a different keyboard layout than I do. Select the one closest to yours then. Now if you want to select 2 here, you have to select 2. In a sense, there's no PS2 mouse, but who cares? Just select 2. That's why we copied the mouse. That's why we had to write the mouse driver file with the Windows 2 version. So yeah, just press 2 and you'll get PS2 mouse support. Now, here you want to select 6. Now we're going to need to insert the build disk. Now just proceed to continue. We need the utilities disk. Insert the utilities disk and proceed to continue. I don't know how to set a printer, so we'll just continue. Now we need the font disk. Just enter the disk and press C. Now we need the desktop applications disk. Insert the disk and then press C. Now we need the write program disk. Insert the disk and press C. What? Here we go. Now we're not done. First you want to remove the floppy disk. We will actually have to restart the computer at some point. The idea was not you wouldn't need to restart the computer, but we will have to. You actually need to type in set vir win100.bin 3.34. You have to do this or it will fail to work properly. There you go. Now it says you actually need to restart your system. That's why. So just type shut down and then press R. Now we're done. Now we can actually start it. Type in cd windows. Now you can type in win.com. And we start Windows. Except of course you all want it to actually, I bet you that you want to be able to make it seem like a kernel extender for DOS. Or you can make it so it starts automatically. There's a way to do that. You can edit config.sys. Basically at the set path, you actually get to, we can actually add the mention to the Windows directory if you want it to be a command. But of course I'm not going to do that. No, I don't want to save it. Yeah, just do that. Make sure you actually do save it if you want that. Or you can have it start at startup. Don't delete it though. Basically, if you want to start at setup, go all the way to the bottom of autoexec.bat and then type in this. Type in this if you want Windows to start when DOS starts, and to make it seem like an operating system. But I don't want that. But yeah, we should actually be done setting up Windows. Now just go back to your Windows directory and type in win.com. And now we can run Windows. Bye, this is it.